I finally got the confidence to start doing my videos again after I got the Supreme Kai of Time Lobby avatar. And now, and in this video, we're going to be drawing Dress Up Whisper from Yokai Watch. As always, I've been waiting a long time to do my videos again, and now I'm ready to start my newest episode. Well, at least for now. Anyways, Dress Up Whisper, he's a, well, you already know what he looks like. He's dressed up as a yokai butler. Well, I mean, okay, let me start over. As we all know by now, Whisper is a yokai butler, and in this form, Dress Up Whisper, he does look like a butler. That's awesome, right? Okay, so anyways, here's how we get things done on the aisle. Hold on, I think I'm supposed to draw the head first. There's his teeth. Now, what next? What next? Okay, so next up we draw this part here. Here's the bow tie. As always, Whisper does his best to surpass Very Good Sir. And, well, let's just hope he does surpass it in the next episode. I mean, he did in the Shadow Side. Well, he was a servant for him. There we go. Now we just draw his hand here. Here's his other hand. Now we just draw his arm here. There we go. There's his hand. Now we just go down here. There we go. Here's his fist. There we go. And there we go. That's how you draw Dress Up Whisper. Now let me just put the lines down his pants. There we go. And done. That's how you draw Dress Up Whisper. What better way to draw him than to do it outside? Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And I'll let you guys know what kind of awesome characters I'll draw you guys next. Now that I've drawn up Dress Up Whisper. I'll show you my lobby avatar real soon. Bye then. Where's the button? There it is. Thanks, Whisper.